This video may be paused wherever you feel that you need time to understand any concept. Warming up and cooling down. Learning objectives. At the end of this lesson you should know about 1. Warming up and stretching. 2. Importance of warming up and stretching. 3. Warming up and stretching exercises. 4. Ways to do warming up and stretching. 5. Cooling down. 6. Importance of cooling down. 7. Ways to do cooling down. Introduction. When your grandparents were young, it could have been hard for their parents to start their car. The engine may not have started first time and then it needed to run for a little while to warm up before it could drive away. Of course, some people may have driven off without warming the engine, but people who now love very old cars would never do that. Why? Because if you warm up the engine first, all the oil can get round the engine and there is less chance of doing any damage to it. To stay safe and get the most out of your workout, you must always include a pre-workout warm-up before you begin and then finish with a cool down to get your body back into gear. Warming up and stretching. Your body needs to warm up before exercise too. Warming up get muscles moving slowly at first, like warming up the engine. Warm-ups are designed to bring the body's temperature up slowly and loosen up the muscles before we get to do anything serious. These include a series of light exercises. Stretching, on the other hand, is done in order to improve overall flexibility. Then the muscles are more elastic, stretchy, so they are able to move smoothly, work better together and help you to do your best with less chance of getting an injury. Importance of warm-up and stretching. 1. Prepares the body and mind before exercise. 2. Increases the body's muscle temperature to make the muscles loose, supple and pliable. 3. Prepares the muscles, tendons and joints for more strenuous activity. 4. Reduces the risk of injury. 5. It increases heart rate and breathing rate. Warming up and stretching exercises. Every warming up and stretching should include 1. Pulse-raising aerobic activities to prepare the cardiovascular system and warm the muscles of the body. 2. Mobility exercises to prepare the joints. 3. Stretches to prepare the muscles and their associated ligaments and connective tissues. 4. Activity related movements to prepare the muscle for the main activity. How to get your muscles going? Aim to spend about 15 minutes on this part of exercising. 1. Warming up your body. These are some of the things that are good for warming up. Walk for 3 to 5 minutes. Jog for 3 to 5 minutes, just enough to raise a light sweat. Do other exercises which is going to warm the muscles that you are going to be using in your sport or activity. 2. Stretching. You should aim to stretch all the muscles that you are going to use in your high energy activity. Give yourself plenty of time and stretch slowly. Here are some good rules to follow to make the most of your stretching and lessen the risk of injury. Make sure you have warmed up properly. Hold each stretch for 10 to 20 seconds. Breathe steadily while you stretch slowly. Only stretch until the muscle feels tight, never until it hurts. Examples of warming up and stretching exercises. Cooling down. Also known as limbering down or warming down. Easy simple exercises. Allows the body to gradually transit to a resting or near resting state. Done after a more intense activity. Depending on the duration of the activity. Involves a slow jog or walk or even stretching exercises. Duration of cooling down. Time, 10 to 12 minutes. Low intensity exercises 3 to 5 minutes, jogging, slow walking, breathing in and out deeply. Stretching exercises 5 to 7 minutes. Importance of cooling down. Body recovers after active physical movements. Brings heart rate and breathing rate back to normal. Lowers body temperature. Reduces buildup of lactic acid and prevents cramp and stiffness in the muscles. How to cool down. It is a bit like your warm-up and stretch routines, only the other way round. Slow down your high-level activity. Example. If you were running, then continue slowing down, don't just stop. Go through the same stretches you did before your activity, making sure that you follow the same rules, gentle and slow, and never so hard that they hurt. Hold the stretch for a bit longer this time, as your muscles are warm and this is a good time to improve their flexibility. If the weather is cold and windy, put warm clothes on so that you don't cool down too fast. If you are sweaty from your exercise, the sweat could evaporate from your skin quickly, and you will feel cold.